Hi everyone! I am Raniana Rizal.
I'm Alan Vilasa.
And I am Adrian Junior S. Malyari.
I'm Carla Elman. Hi, I'm Christina Tuwali.
And I am Maria Jessica C. Garcia, and we are the Group A. Operating system is the most important piece of a software. It manages the hardware resources, determines which programs are compatible with the system, and execute those programs when the users decide to run them.
iOS, formerly known as iPhone Operating System or iPhone OS. iOS is a mobile operating system created and developed by Apple Incorporation. It is the operating system that presently powers many of the company's mobile devices, including iPhone, iPad, and iPod Touch. It is the second most popular mobile operating system globally after Android. Like macOS, it can only be used on Apple's mobile devices. iOS also allows you to run any apps that you download from the App Store. While your apps are running, iOS does all the hard work, managing your iPhone or iPad's memory to ensure that the device runs smoothly. iOS is a closed system compared with the open source Android. In other words, you can't install any software or apps on your iPhone or iPad that hasn't been approved by Apple personally. So iOS has a limitations in installing an app. Also, iOS is the first thing you see when you power up your device in the form of your phones or tablets, lock screen, and desktops. So when you head into your iPhone or iPad setting menu, that's also controlled by the operating system. So the system's key features include multitasking support, which allows users to run multiple apps simultaneously, and FaceTime, a video chat program that comes pre-installed on iOS devices. That's all.
The Macintosh operating system is an operating system designed by Apple Incorporation to be installed and operated on Apple Macintosh series of computers. It's a graphical user interface based OS that has since been released as multiple different versions. Mac OS is a completely capable OS that provides functionality and services similar to Windows or Linux OS. Initially, Mac OS was known as system software. The system is not open source, so only Apple developers have the ability to legitimately make alterations or improvements to its tools.
Unix. What is Unix? Unix is a popular multi-user and multitasking operating system developed at Bell Labs in the early 1970s. And it was created by just a handful of programmers and was designed to be a smart and flexible system used exclusively by programmers. Due to its portability, flexibility, and power, Unix has become a leading operating system for workstations. Historically, it has been less popular in the personal computer market. Unix was one of the first operating systems to be written in a high-level programming language named C. This meant that it could be installed on virtually any computer for which a C compiler existed. So if you are going to ask me what is a compiler, compiler is a software that has a function to convert the code into the targeted language. This natural portability and combined with its low price made it a popular choice among universities. It was inexpensive because antitrust regulations prohibited Bell Labs from marketing it as a full-scale product.
So, Linux. What is Linux? The Linux operating system is developed on a kernel based on Unix. It is known as one of the most secure platforms because of its ability to customize. Viruses wouldn't be able to access the computer. Linux is an open source project allowing users and developers to access the source code for free. It is also the most stable operating system because it doesn't have as much software and other things running. Linux is the most reliable operating system and is known for being run for months or even years without needing to be rebooted, and it is a free operating system. It can be installed on PCs, laptops, netbooks, mobile and tablet devices, video game consoles, servers, supercomputers, and more. Popular Linux operating system distributions include Debian, Ubuntu, Fedora, Red Hat, and OpenSUSE. Some features of Linux are portable. Portability means softwares can work on different types of hardwares. Open source. Linux source code is freely available. Multi-user. Linux is a multi-user system, means multiple users can access system resources like memory, RAM, application programs at the same time. Multi-programming. Linux is a multi-programming system, means multiple applications can run at the same time. Shell. Linux provides a special interpreter program which can be used to execute commands of the operating system. It can be used to do various types of operations, call application programs, etc. Security. Linux provides user security using authentication features like password protection or controlled access to specific files and encryption of data. So Linux is fast, free, and easy to use. And that's all for the Linux operating system. So I'm here to discuss all of you what Windows is. When referring to an operating system, Windows is an operating environment created and operated by Microsoft that provides an interface known as Graphical User Interface, or also known as GUI for computers. It is user-friendly operating system. It is most widely used operating system among others. Also, the Windows system is highly compatible, feature-rich, and has a much larger selection of software applications. Unlike the Linux kernel, Windows is proprietary software and tends to be more expensive than others. It differs from open source system in that Microsoft has the ability to make changes to the code. However, it also differs from the MacOS in that it can be installed on a variety of different computers. Windows has been heavily associated with the term insecure, as a number of security vulnerabilities have made it the most targeted system, and also frequently exploited by hackers and malicious code writers. It is recommended that any Windows operating system with Internet access be protected by some form of security software. Some features of Windows include touchscreen support, which combines the usability of a touchscreen table that power of a desktop computer. And also, it also features play to and remote media streaming, which allow you to play media from your computer and on other devices in its vicinity and to access your media when you're away from your computer. That's all.
What is Android? Android is a mobile operating system developed by Google and Open Handset Alliance, or OHA, a group of companies and organizations that contribute into system development. More than 30 companies were involved in the OHA, including Qualcomm, Broadcom, HTC, Intel, Samsung, Motorola, Sprint, Texas Instruments, and Japanese wireless carriers KDDI and NTT Docomo. It is used by several smartphones and tablets. Examples include the Sony Xperia, the Samsung Galaxy, and the Google Nexus One. The Android operating system is based on the Linux kernel. Unlike Apple iOS, Android is an open source, meaning that an entire community of developers can alter the software or can modify and customize the operating system for each phone, not just Google.